With last season's release of the HTX straight blade plows, Boss was making a commitment to the half-ton truck market. This season, we're continuing that commitment with the release of the HTX V-Plow. Now you've got all the features and benefits of a full-size V-Plow brought down to a smaller compact package weighing in at only 490 pounds. Let's take a closer look at some of the features and benefits of the HTX V, and you'll understand why this is the Boss. We start with a 7-foot 6-inch steel moldboard, reinforced with diagonal cross bracing and formed bottom channel for increased blade rigidity. Along the top, you'll notice the flared wing made popular by Boss, which is designed to throw the snow higher and farther. This is the same design we use on full-size XT and DXT plows, and this new HTX V plow stands 32 inches at the ends and 25 inches at the center. Along the bottom, we've included our high-performance formed steel cutting edges, which incorporate the snow catcher at the center and the outer curb guards in one simple, easy-to-install design. We include the mounting locations for plow shoes on each wing and in the bottom of the center section, like other Boss V plows. The plow shoes themselves, however, will be optional on the HTX V. Coat the whole thing in the durable Boss Smart Shield paint system, and you have a plow worthy of the Boss decal we apply to the front. From the front of this plow, you can see that the HTX V just screams Boss plows, and that's no accident. The reason for this is we've used all of the same time-tested innovations that Boss has created over the years and simply brought it down to this smaller version. Let's take a closer look at the backside of this blade. The 7-foot 6-inch HTX V is a full moldboard trip design which allows the entire moldboard to trip when it encounters an obstruction. The return of the blade after tripping is done by 2 heavy-duty trip springs. To ensure that the plow scrapes evenly across the entire width of the blade, we offer an adjustment at the rear called the bumper stop adjustment. This allows the operator to tilt the blade forwards or backwards, keeping the cutting edges in contact with the plowing surface. This bumper stop is another innovation taken from larger VXT and DXT plows. These plows also come standard with Smart Lock angle cylinders, which hydraulically hold the cylinder in position while backdragging. Smart Lock cylinders are single-acting cylinders, which means they only run the hydraulic system to extend the wings forward. To return the wings, we rely on wing return springs. The benefit of this setup is it's a much simpler design with fewer parts and less wear and tear on the hydraulic system. We offer a fully enclosed hydraulic compartment, which is another feature we've adopted from our full-size plows. In fact, several of the hydraulic valves, coils, motors, and hoses are common components we use in other blades. This minimizes the need for dealers and customers to have to purchase specialized replacement parts just for the HTX V. The Boss RT3 attachment system and 13-pin electrical system are even more proven benefits we've added to the HTX V plow. The HTX V locks itself to the truck using existing Sport Duty or HTX undercarriages. Again, no need to buy specialized equipment for this model. Smart Hitch 2 is standard on all the HTX Vs and is recognized as the easiest and safest way of attaching and detaching a Boss plow from your vehicle. The 13-pin electrical system has been used in all Boss truck plows since 2003. With this same harness in your truck, you have the ability to change from HTX V to HTX straight by simply changing the plow controller. Everything else is the same. This sure makes it easier for your customer who purchased a Sport Duty or an HTX last season to upgrade this year to the new HTX V. To make this even sweeter, Boss is including a set of the new SL3 LED plow headlights with Ice Shield technology as standard features on this plow. The SL3 LED headlight package offers 2 times the light output compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The light is a cool white beam, which is much easier on the operator's eyes. LED bulbs offer an 8 to 10 year life expectancy and are much better suited for the harsh impacts and abuse that exist in most plowing scenarios. The Ice Shield technology that is built into the lens of the SL3s creates the necessary heat to keep ice and snow from building up on the lens, minimizing light output. Capture all of this in a low-profile housing that optimizes operator visibility, and you have quite possibly the best plow light on the market today. So when you add it all up, the HTX V is a lot of plow in a small package. Remember, you can always find all of the additional specs on the 16 and 17 model year plows at the website this season, as well as all the truck applications for the HTX V. And don't forget, the bottom of the screen is a link for you to print off the 2016-17 sell sheet as well. Thanks for tuning in and happy plowing this season.